back again, and this video focus is how to use the Splint in management of a fracture. And here we're looking at how do you manage an injury, a fracture to the lower arm using the Splint. Very simple and easy. And before we start, don't fail to subscribe.
All you need to do is approach the patient and you want to confirm where exactly the fracture is, and after that you want them to maintain the hand in the most comfortable position. Then you need the Splint, size it properly, and to ensure the Splint fits the hand properly, so that gives a proper immobilization. You fold it like that and place it under the hand. Then with the use of the crepe bandage, you want to hold the Splint into place. Sure, it provides a firm stabilization, not tight to affect with circulation, but ensure it is firm enough to immobilize the broken area. As always, the principles of fracture, you want to avoid the area of the injury so that you don't cause much compression. We say the reason for that. So what you need to do again here is secure until the whole hand is secured. So this is another video for the elbow. You get and search on how to do that, and also how to use the Splint again at the ankle. So secure it as shown there. Then from there, if you're done mobilizing it, you want to ensure that there's still good circulation and the motor function. So that's how we secure, and then from there arm sling comes in.
Thank you very much for watching, and this is EMS-AFRICA. For more, kindly don't fail to subscribe and hit the notification for more videos on EMS and on first aid skills. Thank you very much. Hope to see you in my next video.